What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys another program I made. This one will be a kind of an addition to the one I made a few months ago. It essentially, what it does, it will take a text book. This will be in like EPUB or a text file currently, and then it will chunk it and then we'll chop it up, and then it will read it through a voice text-to-speech model. So the one I'm currently using is called Kui, whatever you say this, but yeah, I'm using this one. I decided this one works best. I used Bark in my earlier version, and it doesn't work well with longer audio, so I decided to do that. And then yeah, so this one, you're probably wondering why I have Stephen Fry up here for my books. So this is my favorite voice actor for audiobooks. You'll see here in a minute. He's just the most pleasing to hear. And then yeah, let me show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys all this Python code. It'll get pretty boring. But let me show you like a little snippet of this. And
The Vanishing in April. Millions of tiny flowers spread over the Blackjack Hills and vast prairies in the Osage Territory of Oklahoma. There are Johnny Jump-Ups and Spring Beauties and Little Bluettes. The Osage writer John Joseph Matthews observed that the galaxy of petals.
But yeah, you get the gist of it. And honestly, I wouldn't mind listening to that. But obviously there's copyright issues and stuff. This will probably just be for personal use. I could never commercialize this or monetize this at all. This definitely is illegal in some sort of way. But it's a cool project I decided to make for myself. And tell me if you guys would want me to open source it or add it to the existing repo. I'd be glad to. But yeah.